Welcome back. If you have been an ardent customer of Bernay's, then here is good news. Bernay Fashion Lifestyle Store has been launched at Mapsa. Bernay's have created a benchmark store catering to fashion taste of all ages. They plan to diversify in different cities in and outside Goa. They have 75% clothes in casuals and 25% formals for a fashion-conscious person. So give it a try at Bernay's Fashion Lifestyle in Mapsa.
We go deep into merchandising, and merchandise will be our main strength because we understand customer requirements. We want to give them international fashion at affordable rates and conservative price points. That would be our main strength, wherein we've learned and we've gone out, we've surveyed all over Bombay, all over the world actually, to understand what trends, what are the latest trends and what fashion will be catching up.
We are also looking at scope of expansion outside Goa, in which neighboring in and around Goa villages like Savantwadi, Satara, Belgaum, Kolhapur would also be considered. So that would be in the pipeline very soon.
In 2004 we completed 100 years, and that's the time we decided that our old store, which is currently at near Municipal Garden, we changed over to a big 5,000 square feet, and we changed it to a family store. Then from there on, that's how we continued for 5-6 years.
India will begin the campaign in the SAFF Championship on Sunday with a clash against Pakistan in Kathmandu. India, ranked 145th in the FIFA rankings, will hold an edge over their lower-ranked opponents Pakistan, who occupy the 167th place in the world ranking. India are the defending champions in the tournament, having won the South Asian title in 2011.
Six-time champions India clash with neighbours Pakistan in their SAFF Championship opener on Sunday evening, knowing well that they are the favourites to retain the title. With a reputation of being the most decorated of the 8 teams in the competition, Wim Koermans' boys will have the pressure of expectations on their shoulders. But with India endeavouring to go much higher than their current rank of 145 in FIFA rankings, the national team should show their capability by performing well in the regional championship. As Pakistan come into the match with nothing to lose, given that they are yet to win the SAFF title, India will have to watch out against danger posed by former Fulham man Jais Rahman, who is in the Green Brigade. Dutch coach of the Indian team, Wim Koermans, has obviously studied the rivals but hasn't lost his sleep over them. He says, and I quote, "Yeah, we know about them, but we are more concerned about ourselves. We are the team to beat, and it's understandable everyone will play their heart out against us. But we know the potential of every opponent and rate them very highly." Unquote. In their last meeting, India had beaten Pakistan by 3-1 during the AFC Challenge Cup qualifiers in Kuala Lumpur. India also hold the upper hand over their rivals with 17 wins to 5 in overall head-to-head record. Sunday's match between the two will kick off at 6:15 in the evening. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Rotary Club of Ponda held a Gumat Utsav. Around 25 colleges and higher secondaries participated in the Utsav. Students chanted Aartis with a lot of enthusiasm. Watch the excerpts captured by reporter Vivek Prabhu. With this, we conclude this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.